In today's video, we're working on this brand new Audi Q4 e-Tron and we're installing the front OPS system. Morning guys, so you may have already seen the video that we've done on this vehicle in regards to the reversing camera. This one is now in regards to the front parking sensors, or the OPS system as Audi call it, the optical parking system. So, launch edition, doesn't come with the camera, doesn't come with the front sensors, even though it looks like it's got sensors already. They are in fact plastic dummies. No wiring behind them, no control module, no nothing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling off the bumper, fitting the proper genuine Audi parking sensors, running all the cabling through to the control module, coding it, activating it, and if you followed the previous video and some of the newer Audis and VWs and things like that, you'll know that you can't just code these in. They have to be activated online with what's called SFD protection. So it's not just someone that can come out and do it on your driveway. That day and age is gone now. So it has to all be done properly by an approved independent that has ODIS access, SFD access, Gecko, etc., etc., so that Audi know that people working on these cars have gone through a certain process and all that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you before we get too involved of how it all looks at the moment. I'm going to see if it will just let us chuck it into reverse, which it will. And you can see just there, we've got the reversing sensors. As I said, we've already done the camera. So if you don't have a camera at the moment and you only want OPS, you will only get that image on the left-hand side. Sorry about the thinkware dash camera again. So you will get the parking sensors there. You won't get anything going on here. It is literally just there. So say if you're on radio mode, for example, it will just pop up over the top of your radio and you'll get that little image. You can't do anything with it. You can't make it go landscape. It will just be over here. But this is the before. We'll come back in a bit. We'll come back in a bit once the vehicle has had the front sensors installed and coded and show you how it all looks. Okay then guys, a few hours later we're all done. So front bumper's been off and the 4 new sensors that hopefully you can see here, to be fair, they look like the old ones, but they are now actual sensors. So that all work was done there. On this particular model, the older rear PDC module is in the rear quarter, so that's all been swapped out, linked in with the new front system, and then all the wiring has been done down to the front of the vehicle. Like on the A3, the new one, the 8Y chassis, you don't get a PDC button anymore. You only get that when you have, if I'm right, on vehicles where you order it from factory with the park assist button where it parks it itself, you would then get, say, park assist button and then a P button. But now it's all automatic based on you driving when you go into reverse and stuff like that. So for example, just going to get in, car's already on, I think. I'm going to put my seatbelt on because it likes you to have that as well. Okay, so put my foot on the brake so it knows that I've started it. Pop it in reverse, and there we go. So you've now got the rear camera like before. You've got the rear sensors at the rear that are well, on and working because it's picking up the back wall. And then when I put it into drive, the guidelines change, and then Richard's just going to walk round the front of the vehicle. There you go. And there you go, that's it. So, genuine Audi front parking sensors, fully installed and coded to the vehicle. As I mentioned before, you have to do the SFD activation, otherwise you can't activate it as such. So if you've got a car like this and you need front parking sensors added into the mixture of already having rear, or even if you don't have any parking sensors, we can do the full front and rear for you. So as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Like the video and all that jazz. And as always, thanks for watching.